This video is the solution of exercise 10.2 question number 8. A quadrilateral ABCD is drawn to circumscribe a circle. Prove that AB plus CD is equal to AD plus BC. This is the given figure, and ABCD is a quadrilateral and the circle is circumscribed in this quadrilateral. Okay, see here. This is the given figure. See here, the side AB touches the circle at point P and BC touches the circle at point Q, and CD touches at point R and DA touches at point S. Okay. This A is an external point and AP and AS are the tangent from A, and B is an external point. BQ, BP are the tangents, and also C is an external point. CQ and CR are the tangents, and D is an external point. DS and DR are also tangents to the circle. Okay, we know that the length of the tangents drawn from an external point are equal. Here A is an external point, AS and AP are the tangents. So the length AP is equal to AS, and also BQ is equal to BP, and CR is equal to CQ, and DS is equal to DR. Okay, first write down the given information. So it can be observed that from the figure, AB touches the circle at point P, and BC touches the circle at point Q. CD touches the circle at point R, and DA touches the circle at point S. So we know that tangents drawn from external point to the circle are same length. Okay, we know that tangents drawn from external point to the circle are same length. See the figure here. AP and AS are the tangent, so AP is equal to AS. Write down AP is equal to AS, and these are the tangents drawn from point A. Okay, and BP is equal to BQ. BP is equal to BQ. These are tangents drawn from point B, and also CR is equal to CQ. These are tangents drawn from point C. DR is equal to DS, and these tangents are drawn from point D. Okay, these are equation number 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now add all these equations. Okay, now add all these equations. Then we get AP plus BP plus CR plus DR is equal to AS plus BQ plus CQ plus DS. Okay, now write AP plus BP together and CR plus DR together. Okay, here also BQ plus CQ at one place and AS plus DS at one place. Now observe in figure, that is AP plus BP is equal to AB, BQ plus CQ is equal to BC, and CR plus DR is equal to CD, and also DS plus AS is equal to AD. Now in place of AP plus BP, write AB. AB plus CR plus DR is equal to CD. That is equal to BQ plus CQ is BC plus AS plus DS is equal to AD. Okay, this is our required statement. Thank you for watching this video.